In this video, I'll show you how to join the Naraka Bladepoint Discord server on mobile. From your home screen, press on this green plus icon to the left, and then down the bottom, tap on Join a Server. Inside this invite link box, this is what you're going to type: Naraka Bladepoint Official. So make sure it's all one word and you spell it exactly like that or it won't work. Then press join with invite link. You'll see you've been invited to join the Bladepoint official Discord. Press accept invite and then press confirm at the bottom if you get this captcha message. However, not everyone does. That's going to load us into the server. First of all, there'll be a server onboarding when it's going to ask some questions like what language do you speak. It'll also ask what do you want notifications for, along with some other questions about which servers you're playing and which platforms you play on. Answer them questions and then you'll now be a member of the server. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe.